Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion again. Our Eid special series is going on, and today I'm going to share with you a Ramzan special recipe, and of course you have already guessed it. It's going to be prawn tandoori or tandoori prawns. So without further saying, let's get started and make tandoori prawn. But also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new and watch the entire video. So for making tandoori prawns, of course we are going to need some prawns. Here I have taken 400 grams medium sized prawns, and I'm going to take them in this bowl because we need to marinate them. So there goes all the prawns. Now to that I'm going to add 100 grams of hum curd. That means I have removed excess water from the dahi or yogurt, and then add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, salt as per your taste. Next, add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder for giving it a nice tandoori color, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can increase or decrease the amount according to your taste. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1 tablespoon of tandoori masala powder. I'm using Everest one, and then 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Then add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. That's it. And now we are going to mix everything together and marinate the prawns with the yogurt and the spice mix. This is very simple and easy recipe. Within like few minutes it's going to, like, you can make this tandoori prawns, and you can marinate it beforehand. Here I am using 1/4 teaspoon of tandoori color. It's optional. If you don't want to use color, don't use it. And mix it. That's it. Like before iftar, you can just make it and keep it into the refrigerator. Then whenever you want to fry them, just tandoor them and it's good to go. So the marinated prawns, I'm going to marinate the prawns for 1 to 2 hours, and I'm going to keep it into the refrigerator. So after 1 to 2 hours I'm back. So now I'm going to put them into skewers. First I'm going to mix them, give them a mix like this. That's it. And I'm using this bamboo skewers. I have soaked them for like an hour, otherwise they can get burned while you will char them. So make sure you soak your skewers, wooden or bamboo skewers, before using at least for an hour. Now I'm going to put the prawns into the skewers like this. I'm using the head as well, but if you don't want to use the head, you can definitely discard them. So in each skewers I'm going to put 5 prawns like this. Give some little space between them. Okay, so they are done. All the prawns are nicely skewered. Now it's time to tandoor them. So I'm not using oven or clay oven, anything. I'm using the tawa so that all of you can make this at home. So for that, in a tawa I have taken 1 tablespoon of butter, and I have added 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. This will prevent the butter from burning. Spread the butter all over the pan. This is a very simple recipe. Trust me guys, within like 10 minutes it will be done. So prep time 10 minutes and cooking time like 10 minutes. Not even 10 minutes, it's like 6-7 minutes. So place the prawn skewers on the tawa, then cook them on high flame for like 6-7 minutes. 3 minutes were on one side, I have cooked them. Now I am turning them, and another 3 minutes for the other side. See, already they are getting the color. So 6 minutes are done. The prawns are cooked now. For giving them a smoky flavor, I'm going to char them on the open flame. This is why I told you to soak the skewers. Otherwise, during this step, the skewers can catch fire. So this step is essential so that you get the same charred effect that or smoky flavor that we get in store bought or whenever we have tandoori chicken or tandoori prawns in restaurant, we get a smoky flavor. By doing this, by charring this, we'll get the same flavor. So our prawn tandoori or tandoori prawns are ready. I have served them with some mint and dhania chutney, some onion rings, and of course lemon. So I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. So do let me know in the comment section. Do make it in this Eid or Ramzan or whenever you want. I'm sure your family is going to love this. And don't forget to like the video, share the video, comment on the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.